Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Payoneer Business. Manage global payments online step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type Payoneer, comment to the address bar, and press enter. Check that the website address is correct and shows Payoneer to avoid phishing pages. On the top right corner of the homepage, click the Sign In button. Select Business if you are asked to choose an account type. Enter the email address that you registered with your Payoneer business account. Type your Payoneer password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a shared device, make sure the Remember Me option is not selected. Click Sign In to continue. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you are not a bot. If Payoneer requests verification, choose your preferred method such as SMS or email code. Enter the one-time verification code exactly as received. Click Verify or continue to finish the authentication step. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. After login, confirm you are on the dashboard where your balances and recent activity appear. To manage global payments, find the menu and click Pay or Make a Payment if available. To request money from clients, open the Request a Payment section. Enter the payer details, currency, amount, and a clear description for the invoice. Review all information and click Send Request to deliver the payment request. To receive funds from marketplaces, open Settings or Receiving Accounts to view your account details. Copy the correct receiving account information for the currency you need. To withdraw funds to your bank, go to Withdraw and select to Bank Account. Choose the balance currency. Enter the withdrawal amount, and pick your saved bank account. Review fees, exchange rates, and estimated arrival time before confirming. Click Withdraw to submit the transfer and wait for the confirmation message. To track transactions, open Activity and filter by date, status, or currency. For security, go to Settings and enable two-step verification if it is not already on. Always log out after finishing, especially on public or shared computers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.